What it do, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We is live, fellas. We are live in effect.
Yes, we are. We do.
We're gonna go ahead and give it a second. Let people get tapped in. Let these people get tapped in. Bruh. What a fucking market, boy. Lordy, lordy, lordy. What a freaking market, dog.
No love lost.
No love lost at all, man. We're gonna talk about it today.
Hey, yeah. Great.
Live and about we're going to listen. Yeah, shout out to everybody in the comments. First comment, AW said live and about to talk about Apple. You know we about to talk about Apple because Apple saved the day. Captain Save a Ho. Captain Save a Ho, bro. Saved the fucking day, dog. So
Hey.
of course we're gonna have to talk about Apple. Got my front row. What's up? Shauna is in the building. She said, "Get ready like Freddie. Let's go." Jay is in the
Yeah.
building. What's
No.
good, Jay?
What
My
it
boy
do?
Brian is in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, so we 2 minutes in. Let me just go ahead and knock out this disclaimer real quick. So just know that we will be trading futures tonight. It is risky, so you do want to consult with a financial advisor if you do trade futures, as well as this is not a service or signal channel. So none of this is financial advice. This is financial entertainment only. And with that being said, man, what's good, fellas? How y'all day
I,
go, man?
ooh. I had a
There
beautiful
was
day.
a Quadree killed it today.
Yes, sir.
How you
But
do? Right? He can tell.
man,
Oh,
Dre,
it
man.
was. Well, I was done by 7 o'clock this morning.
Man, Dre had the momentum from last night, bro.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, because you caught the short.
he carry over.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, he did. He caught that long.
Yes, he
Yeah,
did.
carry over.
Then he added on to it because he got that short. Go
Yeah, I got the short. Then at
ahead.
6 a.m., I took a couple of trades. It was clean,
Mm-hmm.
and then I was done. Market. I took a short at market in nine like nine.
Mm-hmm.
What like a 9:45?
Yeah, we caught. Yeah, you did.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then but it was a short target, and he played out, and I
Mm-hmm.
was done. I said that's it. I got my cash flow. I got my account so green, and I don't need to mess no more. I missed the whole rally, but I was content with my performance today.
Yeah, you ain't need to rally.
Ah, bro.
Yeah.
Well, how about you, Quadri?
Oh yeah, I think so. I caught the short this morning. I think probably the
Mhm.
same short Dre caught. Then I caught the long back up for most of the that first out that 10 o'clock hour. So
Mm-hmm.
I had a good day. Um,
Good job.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie, knock on wood, I've been doing really well.
Mhm.
Good, 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 good.
So as Wolfpack boot camp members, we really we in effect. So
Liddy, Liddy.
Kidding.
Uh, shit,
How about you, say?
yeah, what about shoes,
I
eh?
was flat, bro. Today,
Mm.
I was flat. I once I saw that reversal. Well, first of all, once I saw Apple doing what it was doing, we had our call this morning. I was like, this is gonna be tough. Because like you said, I overslept, so I didn't catch the short. I would have, that would have been my trade. But then, yeah, once I seen Apple doing what it was doing, I was like, this is something. This ain't right. So I just stayed out the way. I basically ended the day flat. I didn't even try to trade. Eminem puts came in strong. Oh, that's Jay. So yeah, once I saw Apple was going to be pushing, I was like, you know what? Yeah, this is about to be a weird day. So I just chilled, man. I had to went and got a fresh cut. Excuse me, I went and got a cut. Um, cut my grass.
My boy did self-care day on a Wednesday.
Word up, cut my grass. You know what I'm saying? I went to try and get my truck service, but the lines was like crazy long, so I got to go tomorrow morning and get that done. But yeah, man, I just took it as a maintenance day, man. I didn't see no setup that I liked, and then I wasn't about to chase those longs, so I just chilled out, man. So yeah, with that being said, though, Apple. I mean, what else
Let's
can
go.
we really talk about? Like, had a 11 5% day, up $11. Right now it's up to, I want to say it's up. Where is Apple right now?
I think it was at 220 last time I looked.
Yeah, I was gonna say it was going crazy. It had calmed down a little bit last time I looked. It's at 219.65, so it's up 3% right now. But yeah, man, Apple finally coming through. I've been on the Apple train for a while. I find it funny though that this is the new justification to get Apple going. Like, not earnings, not nothing AI, but the fact that they throwing an extra 100 billion into their bringing home manufacturing jobs. So I look at it like this, bruh. Finally, Tim Cook went and kissed the ring. He went and kissed the ring. And when you kiss the ring, you see what Trump can do for you. And like, automatic, boom. Now, I will add that, Apple, it's once again, those coincidences and how this shit lines up, it's crazy. But it was at a perfect support level of 203, and automatically from 203, is shooting to all the next levels. So the fact that it's at 220 right now, it's probably going to be 225 tomorrow. So Apple to save the day. With that being said, man, I don't know, man. Is it I guess the question I'll pose to y'all is it over for the Bears? Was this just a quick dip and that's it? And it's back on to the races? What's y'all take, man?
I'll just say it's a little pissed out. You go first. You go first.
I mean, based on price action today.
Yeah, I got your screen up, Dre.
Okay. So this monthly mint is key for me.
Yep.
A higher time frame analysis, closing basis. So the fact that we took this high that I said yesterday, if this says stay open, we could see lower targets. The fact that here, if you can see here, we did try a couple times, and they bought it up. This is telling me there's something else going on that we just saw. Apple.
I mean, the what's going on is Apple, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, let's be frank, because if you looked across the rest of the market, nothing was really. It really won't doing, like, it was really Apple. And what I'll say is I went and I just looked at the breadth indicators as far as how many stocks are over their moving day average and stuff like that. It actually went down today. So like there's that divergence there again, where you really, it's this rally or this market move is only being it's only done because of a few stocks. And I mean, most clearly Apple was the leader, right? You take Apple out of the equation, the market is down. We're not up. So
me and Quadree, we spoke this morning, and I told him, bro, if it wasn't for NQ, this shit would be an ugly ass day. Because at 9:30, and the Dow, RTY, and ES were dropping, and NQ kept kept them.
It was getting cracked.
Float. Yeah.
I don't
NQ
know,
kept
crack.
them afloat.
It was getting cracked.
Yeah, I'm
You said
like,
what?
yo, this shit so. Huh?
No, I heard Quad you say something, but go ahead. My bad.
Oh, yeah. So when NQ crossed above that monthly mid right here at this purple line,
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, and it closed up. Remember that level 235 that you said you like?
Yeah, we are.
I'm
Yeah,
like, this
yeah. It
is gas.
rejected off of it this morning, and then it came right back
Yeah,
to it and plowed through that thing, boy.
yeah. And I was short. I short right here. This candle.
Yeah, you caught it. You caught that
750.
move down.
I called this shit, and I was like, took my profit
Mm-hmm.
and no follow through. But I was,
No follow through.
I almost got smoked. I almost
Nah,
got
you.
smoked. Because I was my bias is short. Y'all know I was listen. My thing was like this high was key Tuesday key high, and I was looking for short targets. And you gotta when life price action is telling you we're going higher, baby. No fight that shit. you know.
Yeah,
That's how I
yeah.
see it right now. So I could be bearish and hard, but if price not telling me going down, then I gotta be like, yo, you won, you got it. Let's go.
Yeah.
So right now, I'm looking for buy.
So is it over for the Bears then? Is that you? That's what you saying? It's over.
I don't think so. It's too early for me to. Right now, be above. If we above this 211,
Yeah.
214. Yes, closing. If we close below here, then we got a problem. But as long as we close above here, yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, we
yeah.
did close
For
above
now,
there.
for now.
We
Yeah,
above it.
as long as we stay closing here, yes, we good.
Yeah, and I agree. For me, the beautiful thing about the market and through experience, man, you can pivot.
Yeah.
I'm not saying the Bears is dead, but they definitely right now
Man,
they
them
don't
niggas
like
dead,
support.
bro.
Yeah,
They
today.
don't like support.
Yeah.
You know, price. You know, all of us. I want to say, well, we might as well be professional, but like, through our experiences and years, we know what's you got price is king, and right now price is saying they want to go up and create new all-time highs, and that's the beautiful thing about being able to analyze the market, knowing when you're wrong and knowing when to pivot. So, and shoot, next week, bro, if that joint drop below them levels, next time we talk, the Bears is back right now. Right now, right now, man. We go.
Yo, that would be some wild.
And I was
Like,
telling one of the runners, and we both were saying
you
the
said what
same
happened?
thing. I saw on the mic. So
Uh-huh.
just and I was like, bro, we ain't really that far from the highs, bro. When you think about it, it's like ain't really like 1.5%. And it's not far.
Right here, bro.
That's really like we get half of that tomorrow on Friday, bro.
Right here.
Yeah, I mean, we still
380
got
points away.
We have how many points?
381.50. 1.63% away.
But that put wall was very, very strong. I was there on them gaming level 6250, bro.
Dog.
They respected that crazy.
Did they? Like they respected that thing crazy. I don't even did we even go down to 6250 this week?
Yeah, we passed it a little bit. I think we got down to 6213, if I'm not mistaken.
We got down to it a little
That's all
bit.
she wrote on the XPS. So it's all right, man. But so
yeah, so I just add my personal thing to it. Yeah, like you said, we can always pivot, but dog, this this market is unbelievable, man. I'm still seeing some weird divergences in play, But like you said, Quadree, price is king, so you can't really fight price. But this got to be unhealthy, dog. Like this run off the lows, it only just makes it feel like when I'm not really vibing with it, man. As far as just what's happening, I mean, price gonna do what it want to do, but this is something is broken. You know what I mean?
You know, it's
Like this
broken.
is
Nothing matter. Nothing fundamentally. Nothing.
yeah, like nothing matters. Nothing like the fundamentals that nothing is really or it yeah, it's like it's just it's so backwards. You know, you have Apple who let's continue to just use Apple as a use case where they kill earnings, you know, guidance is good, all that kind of stuff, and the stock is down 5%. And then you come back the next week and they're dishing out 100 billion.
Yeah, they spending money.
You spending money, and now all of a sudden you go up 10% in a week. It's one of those times where, you know, people always say, you know, the market can be irrational longer than you could be solvent. This is a irrational ass market right now. Like it's some of the things I'm seeing, it ain't clicking, it ain't making sense. But again, it don't got to, right? Because the market's gonna do what it gotta do. So
and it goes to like that crazy. I think I either texted it to you or I know I said it. I said, imagine we don't get no pullbacks the rest of the year. Like nothing like.
Well, see, that's what I'm saying though, bro. That right there in itself is so. I've seen some thesis from a few people that actually say, you know what, we rally all the way into like September, October, and then the end of the year is trash. Where, you know, a lot of people are on they think we just gonna rally into the end of the year, but then they like, you know what, Q4 when all that shit really hit, it's not gonna be all roses like people think, and that's actually gonna be when that's the top, that's the shit that's gonna send the market tumbling. You know what I mean? So if we do run through, say, August, September, pretty aggressive, and there's no pullback, dog, that just, to me, that would further strengthen, you know, those folks' case who say, you know what, the top probably, or, you know, there's going to be something big that happens towards the end of the year, and it's not going to be what people think it's going to be. And especially don't let the market get to 67, 6,800 by September, October. Bruh, ain't dog, that what? And no give back, no 5%, no 10%.
Yeah.
I gotta say, me don't like you.
When I see all my,
me don't like you.
When I see all my XPX calls went.
Me don't like you that. So, yeah, that would be.
A man and a woman.
That shit.
Yeah.
So, all right, man, fellas, what y'all looking at tonight? Y'all long?
I'm waiting to get long. Yeah. Waiting to see what happens. See, right now we took previous 12-hour high. Right now we are.
Yeah, we already.
We got bullets already. Right
move,
here.
I missed my move. My move happened at 6:15. Gotta wait.
Yeah, 8 there now. Yeah. So.
Got it. Let's see. What up, Strat King? He's in the building.
What's up, Strat?
Miss Maui is in the building. Rough Patch said all-time highs is coming. I think. I mean, maybe so. Jay said, yeah, they sold puts like crazy. AMD was crazy. I mean, AMD pulled back.
Yes, it did.
Once SPX held 63.25, market makers buying kicked in. That's for sure. They started to buy that thing up. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
But see, I ain't. You know what? Yep, they bought it up. It's nothing to really say, dog. Like, I really feel like this is Apple had everything on their back, but I mean, Apple is the third biggest stock in the market, so you know that's what it is. So yeah.
Healthcare got smoked today. Healthcare.
Or you just looking at other stuff?
Yeah, see what's happening. Yeah, I didn't have time to.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I gotta wait for pullback at least.
Just go long, bro.
Yeah, nah, hell no.
Just hit the button, go long, bro. Homie gave it. He gave a bat signal today.
Who? Trump?
Yeah.
Bro,
What did he say?
the stock market beautiful, man. It's gonna have many more days like today.
Oh, you know what he said? He said everything down. Everything is down. Egg is down. Y'all remember when I came in office? The problem was eggs, right? So I told the lady, "Yo, give me a couple of days." And no, nobody's talking about eggs. Everything's cheap, right? But you know what is up? The stock market. Stock market.
Hey, he said that today in his little press conference.
Yeah, bro. That's what's up right now. That's the only thing I know is up for sure. We're breaking records. I was like, oh, this is crazy.
Leon on the drum said fair value gap to the downside.
What, a 15-second chart?
Yeah, I'm seeing fair value gap.
What fair value guys that?
But dog, man, I ain't gonna lie, low key dropped the little tier. I ain't dropped no tier, of course, but I'm like, dang, we ain't getting no pullback right now.
Bro, that shit is. I'm really like at a loss of words, bro.
It's mostly because it's just not healthy, bro. That's what it is. Like, as far as the standpoint of, it's just not healthy.
Mm-hmm. It just, you gotta get with the flow. That's it. Like my thesis,
even like
my thesis fucked up.
Who said
right here? My thesis, this combobulated right here today, right here.
I'll tell you where my shit got messed up after hours today. Like, literally, I was like, okay, like I'm thinking about like even with today's close, like even with today's close, I'll share my screen real quick. Let's go, and I'm gonna put it on SPX. Let me see. Okay, yeah, here we go. So here, let me bring you down, Dre. Where we at? Oh shit, I ain't even sharing my screen. Okay. So yeah, this is SPX, right? And these are my weekly fibs. So even when we closed down here Friday, I knew we had this gap. We rallied into the gap, sold down, and now today, even with this close at 63.45, I'm like, okay, now the gap is really closed, right? Because technically, it wasn't really closed. It was still some space here. And then even when we opened and kind of gapped up here, there was still some space. So I was like, okay, cool, right? And then we took out this high. So I'm like, all right, even if they pushed it early in the week, you push it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, cool. We got Thursday and Friday for a nice reversal Thursday, follow through Friday, cool, right? But with this Apple news and this going, like I have this realization when Apple run like that, the market is not going to necessarily fall like that.
Yeah.
So, now I'm looking at it like it's probably that's it. you know. And then I even went to like a weekly, and I even did. I was looking at, you know, Quadree. For when it comes to the SPX, I even did, you know, kind of like what you look at. So I look at this high, you know, we swiped it, and so, you know, we reversed. So technically, I'm saying this to myself is truly, truly, the market can really rally all the way up to like 63.95 and still turn around.
Yeah, facts.
Yep.
Okay.
And you know what I'm saying? It really could go all the way up here and then turn around, and then, you know, in the Bears got it or whatever the case may be, right?
Right.
But who's trying to I'm not, my puts like, if I hit 30%, I'm out the game. And if they push it up this high, I'm probably gonna hit 30%. And on top of that, I was looking at premiums. I'm like, yo, anybody that did buy puts up here, even if we, you know, based on how premiums move and theta and shit, even if we push all the way to 63.35, that's gonna make the puts lower than if you bought them up here.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you, I bought the XPX,
That's
right?
that's some premium manipulation shit. That shit's crazy, bro.
Yeah, I bought that.
We
right
here,
back.
I'll let you share your screen.
No, I'm just saying, like, I'm over here. I bought the puts, bro. At I bought them. We wouldn't laugh. We are over where I bought the puts at that were up almost 90%, bro. And them things
you said we were where?
I had put a stop loss on them, right?
Yeah.
So I had bought SPX puts like right here on Friday. I caught all that move down. I bought it Friday. Let me remove this. I sent it away. And I had did a little monthly candle, but so pretty much Friday. Oh, I'm on a week. So I'm lying. Thursday, I bought puts up here. I caught this whole move down. Them puts was up very nice on the XPX. It was up very nice. I got stopped out. You know what I'm saying? Now look at the same puts that I bought here are already like -5-6%.
Right, and we're not even nowhere near
where I bought them. Yeah, that's why, bro. I put them things in place, and mind you, I had like 3 months. That still ain't like I can't with the implied volatility, everything.
Right, like you're not trying to hold through that. You know,
I'm messing around. Friday they be at -60%. I'm like, oh my god,
right? Like that shit is crazy, son.
Yeah.
So they got us. And like Dre said, like, so if I was to go through like the trade this morning, they were sneaky, bro. Everything that we looked for said that we was going lower today.
Facts.
Now
listen, when this happened, I caught the short right here. When I said I watched my trade go from 0 to 500 in like a second. Yeah. And then the next thing
sometimes you get in plays that shit's up 200,
bro.
Before you even move.
I'm like, dang, like the trade rate. I mean, trade you couldn't even keep up. I just seen the number. Like, dang, y'all hit the trade button. Boom. I'm like, all
hey,
right.
Hold on one second, Leah. Hold on, I gotta. Okay, so let me read these comments real quick. These some good comments. Shout out to Antonio. What's good? He a runner, so shout out to the runner family. He said, what if the next jobs report confirms that numbers from the previous report were accurate, meaning like low, like bad? Will they manipulate to create a different narrative? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. All right, let me reread that for a second. What if the next jobs report confirms that the numbers from the previous report were accurate? So I'm assuming, Antonio, that you're saying jobs are bad, right? If we're going with that assumption and just put in the comments that that's the assumption that's right, will they manipulate to create a different narrative? So I won't even say anything about manipulating or to create, manipulation. What I will say is if the jobs report comes out again and is bad, I would think the narrative would be the Fed better cut.
Yeah, Fed got to cut, yeah.
You know what I mean? The Fed got to cut. If it come in strong, then the Fed might not cut,
Mm-hmm.
and then Powell gonna be pissed.
So look at this.
I mean, Trump gonna be pissed.
So look at this. We had 93.6 for September for a cut. They already. So to answer your question, I feel like everything is baked in already. It's priced in already. I feel like, and even if the numbers, I really don't think anything matters besides his tweets and what you do right now at this point. That goes back to what we were saying, man. That intel you got with the war, something right now. I feel like something out the blue crazy gotta happen for this thing to take
right. It's gonna have to be something out the blue, bro. Because the way,
and the thing is, you gotta buy just like, I ain't gonna lie, like just to be on the safe side. No, not financial advice at all, bro. If you are planning on hedging this what we doing, you gotta buy 6-7 months out.
Like, you might as well not even hedge. You might as well not even hedge. You might as well just
you playing with fire, bro. Like you text me soon when that news drop. What would we say yo that? Tears. I'm like, what? 90 points. I look back 5 minutes later, we back in flat.
We back up. I said, bro, but I put in the chat, I was like, yo, yeah, it's down, but we got to see if dip buyers step in again.
Yeah, and make sure we did. So we seen the cut.
Shit is crazy. But okay, so then we got Leon on the drums, say 935 candle fair value gap, but on the 5 minute. Jay says 63.80 for SPX. See, that's what I'm saying, Jay. Like, and I seen a few people put that. If they push it all the way to 63.80 and turn that bitch around, I'm gonna be hot. Because they likely gonna stop me out. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed. He said order blocks 8:41 a.m. and 9:20. Hey, Leon, are you referencing the NQ
price action?
Yeah, Leon, are you talking about the NQ or like what? He say 3 order blocks were liquidated today, so he definitely is probably using ICT stuff. Yeah. And then Antonio say, okay, that wouldn't justify firing her if the numbers were right. It's kind of how I'm looking at it. So, Antonio, the firing shit that part don't matter, bro. Like that's I'm just sorry. You're right. It wouldn't justify him firing her, but he don't give a fuck. Like it is what it is. She's done. Like
I'm like, because it's so true.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I think you gotta look past the firing part. It's more about if the numbers is what it is, shit, he can't be, what's his excuse now? Rough Patch said going forward with AI eliminating jobs, will the job report matter in the coming years? Shit, I don't know. You said coming years. I don't know what's gonna happen.
I would still say it matters. Yeah. It still matters.
Carl's in the building. Yo, Carl, chill out, bro. I know he said not financial, full fart coin.
Carl,
listen, let me put this out here right now. That is a 100% joke. That is entertainment. He put a laughing face and all that. So do not take that serious. Okay. 63, 64. Okay, so Leon talking about NQ with all those with the order blocks and stuff. So that's for y'all, Dre and Quadree.
You talking about this morning though? 9:35.
He said 9:35 a.m. is a fair value gap, and then he said look at the order blocks at 8:41 a.m. and then 9:20 a.m.
Yeah, dude must be on 1 minute.
5 minute.
5 minute.
Yeah, he said 5 minute. He put that in there.
All right, my bad.
Let me see what you see.
He said all he trade is MNQ.
Okay.
So that's what Quadree trades. So he can find them. In the meantime, while you looking for that Quadree, are you in a trade, Dre, or no?
Not yet.
You said not yet?
No.
All right, Quadree, while you look for that, I'm gonna put Dre on the screen. And then I'll put myself on the screen in a second. Strat King, he said, like Yusuf said, the numbers ain't gonna be trusted now that he's gonna appoint someone he wants. Well, yes. I mean, I don't know if the numbers was trusted before then, but they definitely gonna be sketched now.
Hell yeah.
They definitely gonna be sketched now. And then let me share with y'all. This kind of what I'm looking at. So,
Oh, I see green in the screen. Took a trade, bro.
a quick one. I'm positive $20.
Let's go, baby. Well, you got long.
A quick one.
Oh, wow, 6.
It was a short.
Oh.
It was short. Because I wanted it. So look, Dre, it's right at the fib, right? So actually, I took Quadree trade. I'll show you on a 15-minute. I saw this candle here, and then we went up. I got short, probably around this candle, and I put my stop up here. And then once it got to like this 81, I hurried up and clicked the button, but the shit like flickered, and so it only gave me $22, but I should have had 50.
Gotcha.
But no, but to your point though, Dre. So this is, looking at the 4 hour, right? And you know how I back test and shit. So this the high, the low, and how I'm looking at it is, technically all of this was a gap up. New week opening gap is all of this. And I mean, we have been in this range from the entirety of the week for real. I did mark out the month. This the monthly 50%, which is 63.48. You can see, like you said, we pretty much blasted through. My moving averages kind of crossed back over bullish. But see, and this is why I was saying that for me to like, we kind of at a like, again, I feel like we could be okay. I mean, they are really at the line in the sand for me, where it's like, this needs to be rejected. Like I need to see some heavy rejection, come down, take out this 63.27, and then maybe we good. So the fact that it's just like toying with this is they are really playing a close game, because for me, I'm looking at it as like, yo, if we get above this 63.81, like y'all said, all-time high.
Yeah, it could be ugly.
It could be all-time highs. However, shout out to using the ICT stuff and talking about what Jay said. The two things I will point out that could maybe stop us will be, you do have a 4 hour fair value gap, right? At the same time, on a 4 hour, you got this gap, right? And then you also have this gap here, over here. So you got a lot of shit. Like but this could amount to that, that 63.80 on the SPX or whatever. But this is, I mean, just know this is going to be a very heavy what is that, demand supply zone, because that's where a lot of sellers most likely are. So this entire area is probably going to be very heavy supply if we get into it. Like, this is last resort. Bears gotta hold that, or else it is definitely on and popping. But for right now, I mean, we gonna see what this what is this level? I can't even, is this 80? Is this 81 on the dot? Yeah, we gonna see what this 63.81. You know what I mean? If they bust through this 63.81, it could create a lot of.
You get starting to get 15-minute candle closing above that.
Yeah, right. And so that's another thing too, Dre. I noticed when we did the back testing, you be looking at that too. So I went down this on a 15-minute. This I probably should have stayed in that short, because it's looking all right. It's looking all right. So and I don't know if Larry here, but these type of candles, this was after hours, this wick, just like last week, this wick get tested. So, if it could break back down, I think somebody put it in there, 63.64. Matter of fact, AW. So I feel you, because that's 63.64.25 right there. I would love to come back down here, because if we could break that, then it could get shit could get shit could get real interesting for sure. So yeah, man, from a 4-hour perspective, I'm just watching this 6381. I'm gonna see what this is gonna do. And the same thing with the NQ. I know y'all system a little bit different, but just doing the same thing with the fibs. We bust through this 2340, 23436, right? And if we can sustain above that, then sure, NQ can go. But if if this can hold and we can start to push back down,
you see how NQ is so disrespectful, though.
Maybe we could do it. It is. That's why I don't touch it.
No, like you see those levels, right? They're good, but she always overshot it.
Oh yeah,
a little bit. You have to overshot it a little bit. It can be to the T. Like ES is like ES is precise. NQ
ES is yeah. NQ, it's gonna get you. Now here's the other part, right?
9. Yeah.
Here's the other part. Let me throw this at y'all, fellas. This is the part that also I'm just like, cause look at the YM. Nowhere near as strong. Like it's not.
But that could change it.
Nowhere near as strong.
That could change tomorrow with Apple waking up, though.
Apple woke up today and the YM didn't really do nothing. So here's you got to understand this. When it comes to the YM, that's price. That's a price index, meaning that's price weighted based on what your price is. So Apple ain't got that much sway in the Dow like it do in the NQ.
Yeah, it's true.
So Apple did its thing, but YM kind of just consolidated, and then we go look at RTY, bruh. This was the short I wanted right here, but again, looking real weak sauce. So there's, for the people who do, what is it? Is it ICT, SMT, or whatever? It's SMT all over the place. I'm just saying, I'm like, bro, like this is, that's, let me just, that's that. Shout out to Big Chuck. Leo said 3 short order blocks above 23,666. Ugh, I hate that 666 number. That's the devil number. Add a 7 on that, Leo. I know it may not be precise, but that's just ugly. Do 2, 3, 6, 6, 7. Let's see what the new hour bring. From Thursday. Strat King said, even NQ is just retesting a 4-hour bearish market structure shift. I agree. YM ain't gonna do nothing until UNH pick up. Right, because UNH is price heavy. Leo said, how do you the stars on your go to your settings, and then you go to privacy.
Risk. Yeah, privacy. Yeah, the risk.
And then you just click these buttons here, and it'll block your balance and your account name, so can't nobody, try to hack my shit. All right, so that's some of the stuff I wanted to show y'all, fellas. Okay, now here's the other part I wanted to show y'all too. And I'm in a paper trade. This is a paper trade. I hate when we on live, bro. My trading view moves so slow.
Yeah, it be lagging.
Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you, Quadree and Dre. So today, right,
Yep.
The amount of stocks above the 20-day is down or stayed flat. The 50-day went down. The 200-day went down. You go look at the total market, kind of flat. And then the 50 down, and then the 200 down. You look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ right here, Dre. 50-day down. 200-day down. So the only reason the market was up was because of Apple. Apple capped the saver hoe.
Yeah.
And she had no help. So like you said, if it wasn't for Apple in the NQ, today could have
ugly.
Could have. Yeah, I mean,
we had the reasons, bro. We had it. Below monthly mid and inside, bro. It was there. It was there.
So let me ask you this, Dre. What you think of this? Usually when we were in a bullish state, retest Wednesday typically was a retest of the lows.
True.
Now, what if there's a change of character in the market and retest Wednesday is now a retest of the highs, right? If the high of the week was put in on Tuesday, you retest it. So think about it, right, Dre? Usually the MO is the low of the week is put in on Tuesday. We go retest it on Wednesday, and then by Thursday, Friday, we back bullish, right? That's when we was in a bullish market. Yeah. If we have switched over to a more bearish stance, then okay, the high is put in on Tuesday, you retest it Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, you come sliding back down. Now, again, that's kind of seems to be blown up right now because of Apple. But it gives you something, it gives me something to think about. Right. And that's probably the main reason why I haven't completely thrown in the towel on my bearish thesis that I have.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm really like, I really just want to see how the rest of the week goes. Because if it turns around Thursday, Friday, then it's like, all right, you know what? I was just a little bit early. The market just really pushed it. It really pushed you, tested your conviction, and then boom. It ended up doing what we thought it was going to do. You know what I mean? Because I will say this. To your point, Quadree, I've seen a lot of people who were bearish. They got out their puts or they got stopped out or they are now like I see a lot of like those bears who was thinking it was getting hype. I see a lot of them already capitulating. They giving up already after 3 days. like no kind of patience. They just giving up. And a lot of the bullish folks are like, I told y'all, see, buy the dip.
It's tough right now.
It is. It really is, man. It really is, bro.
Yeah.
And like you text me, Quadree, we're gonna find out tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the real tell.
Tomorrow,
if the Bulls get more follow through tomorrow, they 100% got it. It's a wrap. Right, but if we slide and then the slide get nasty and we close at lows, Friday is going to be woo. We're gonna see.
Hey,
real man.
So
it was I'm looking at because I was looking at the stocks today that I was moving, man. It really wasn't much like you said.
No, it was ANET, it was A-Lab. Both of those had earnings. It was Apple, and the banks were semi-green. And I mean that was
Shopify was up 21%. Apple was up
Shopify.
5%. Yeah, that was really the main.
But Tesla was up 3%.
Shopify had earnings though.
Palantir.
Yeah.
I got long.
But to your point, it was only a few. Matter of fact, take a look at look at
I'm gonna take
Microsoft. I'm looking at Microsoft. Microsoft did not perform. It has not been performing well.
Dre, you long? You said, Dre?
Yeah, I got long.
Word.
AMD was down
$11.
You know what I'm saying? So what happened?
You should be at TP then.
I'm gonna get TP. I'm waiting for the MFE. And be
Oh, hold up. You in the trade, Dre? You ain't even tell us, bro.
No, he did.
Yeah, I did.
We supposed to show the people. You was in some? Oh, I ain't hear you. My bad.
Yeah.
What you took, a long or a short?
A long.
You took a long?
Yeah, from 45. Let's see. I'm being greedy though.
Oh wow.
I should have took TP already, but this is my TP 15.
From 40. Oh, when we had what, 60, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see you.
Let me see.
Boy, them 15 points be quick on the NQ, dog.
Oh hell yeah.
Maybe.
That shit is crazy. Let me go to these comments.
I'm gonna take it. I'm out. Say
okay.
700.
Good stuff. Nice. We got the 460 on the money.
Yeah.
Carl said, I was surprised it wasn't a bigger sell-off at the end of the day for the NQ today. The market has eaten bad news for months up into the right until rate cut. Shit, you right, Carl. And on top of that, with the announcement after the market, he raised tariffs on Japan by 15%. He raised tariffs on India. He said, "Oh yeah, we're gonna do 100% tariffs on semiconductors and chips," and yet the market's still going. This irrational. That's all I can say. Irrational. Makes no sense.
Yeah, man.
Taco. That's all they saying.
Yeah, it was, and it's like, oh man, but
Taco. Yo quiero taco.
You just make the tweet. It's amazing what his voice does to the market. And like when we look back on this out, like he gonna be. Tell you, man, 7,000 camp.
The fact that he's be saying things to the market, he be talking straight to the agos, bro. Like they sure they hear what he did. Like he repeat the same thing. Like when he said the thing about tariff, he made sure he said that shit right.
And then he made sure the two companies that let y'all know, hey, Nvidia and Apple, they good right now.
Yeah, he did.
He basically said that, yo, like, dog, this guy
forget the other semiconductors. We just Apple, Nvidia, they good. Him and Jensen, like, he told Jensen, this is what we about to do. You all right? I'm gonna make sure that everybody invests with y'all. So, oh man.
Low key, he mentioned IBM in there too. You saw that?
Yeah,
he did. He like IBM.
Market doesn't care. Everyone is just winging it. I agree. Market don't care, bro.
That's the thing. Like I'm in a situation where I don't even want to know.
He said boss man took TP too early. Nah, you gotta understand, Dre is a very systematic trader.
Dre is what you call
15 points.
Man, Dre see his hunt and then he kill it. He don't waste no time.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
You trade this is a saying out there in the streets. Say prices over profits.
Prices over profits, bro.
All day, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie.
Is it still going though? Yeah, it's still going.
Yeah, it's still going.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get my sweep that I wanted.
Yeah, I'm.
It still come back. It still come back and get your sweep.
Yeah, no, by the way, I'm still early. Still, we only the first.
Yeah. What sweep you looking for, Quadree? I got your screen up.
I mean, I want to be. My bias right now is bullish, so I'm just waiting to I want to take out this low. But I mean, we could take this high out. Either one. Because we already above, we already above previous session. So
yeah, we took the 12
Hey,
hour.
I'll be right back. My daughters just got home, so I'm gonna run upstairs real quick. But y'all got it.
Go ahead, bro.
No problem. Man.
How many for NQ? I don't do M and Q. You do M and Q. You do you, my guy.
He's an Leo. You are new. First time we seen you.
Yeah, first time the show.
Yeah, you watch this pretty much Dre's NQ thing, man. I'm on MMQ.
Yeah, my dog. Hey, Car, what's up, Car? Yeah, man.
How many lots?
8:15. 8:15 right now.
You say lots? Are you talking about contracts?
Yeah, I take 4. Yeah.
Yeah, 4. Yeah. And I trade 5, sometimes 7 on the MMQ, depending on the risk. So and that's a good thing, man. Even though, we got hit with the Okie though, we made money in the market anyway today. So that's the good thing about it.
Yeah, today. Yeah, man, we're about to squeeze, bro. Shit about to go crazy. I see it right.
Ah, man. And I see.
Yeah. We get above MFE, above that. Right here, above 68. It's over, bro.
Yeah, I probably have to go along to the highs.
Like yesterday. Remember that candle?
Yo, that joint went crazy, bro. It ran up like 100 points last night.
Yeah. So it was a tweet. I'm like, what the hell is going on?
So.
Yeah, bro.
That's okay.
You seen?
Yeah, I'm about to go along. What account is this? I need to build the low account up. All right, now.
Yeah, one more minute for new 15. I'd rather wait one more minute for new 15 to open.
Just technically, this be the low for the hour.
That could be there, quarter one.
Or this could,
yes, sir.
Or this could be the high.
Either or. You know.
If you know,
either or. Yeah. So you gotta be careful. This 8:15 candle can be crazy.
Super.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, so Carl, your statement about surprised there was the biggest sell-off at the end of the day.
It was surprised.
One thing I learned definitely, Carl, is that at the end of the day, if we just to take a look at, like, I'm not a big volume guy.
Yeah.
But I do know the last.
So say the market expecting a cut September. That's what you're telling me.
93%.
They do expecting a cut.
93%, yeah. 0.25 base cut, man. See, look, I'm about to show you. And I was reading something like, all this is fact could be priced in, So we go to September.
Yeah.
Yeah, 93.6. Now, mind you, when Powell talked last week, it was at 68, then it dropped down to what I think about 38%, and then out of nowhere now it's back up to 93%. So,
right. What the hell? Man, when is Jackson home, man? This shit about to. When is that?
August 16th.
Okay, that's
10
days.
No, I thought it was August 22nd, bro.
Maybe. Hold on. Let me start getting false information.
Yeah, we gotta double check that.
Yep. You're right. 21st through the 23rd.
Let's go, car. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
We say they don't know dreads. I've been cranking up the size a bit. 2K yesterday, today, bang, magic hour. Good stuff, good stuff.
Yeah.
He said 1-2 month bearish, 5 to 15 month bullish. Gotcha.
No, 5 minute, 1-2 minute. He's in the 1 minute, 2 minute bearish, bullish, 5 minute. Yeah. How long you been trading, bro? Sound like he guarantee like 6 month trading. I ain't ICT.
Yeah, ICT boy.
I think so. He sound like.
Yeah, he was saying a lot of order blocks and this and that.
Yeah.
He sounded like he might be trading ICT concepts.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's coming back. I heard ICT September.
We get September, boy. He said
that's when it's about to be game over. Then that's the end. That's the end. September. That's the end.
He said September. I'm coming back out with the best mentorship ever.
Hey, I heard he was supposed to be done anyway because Bitcoin hit 100K.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, same way. Never mind. He make up characters to come back. Man, his mentorships would be crazy.
Yeah,
I'm going to take this long to the highs, bro.
And it's gone, boy. Not yet. Oh yes, 15 minutes.
Oh, my drink bugging out. Oh, the trader rate do a update. That look different. Trading view.
I heard.
That look different.
They did something new.
Look at that. Ain't that's an order block, boy. Come on,
go.
I might have to go.
How many points there? 10?
That's not even. That's like 8 points.
Yeah, this shit going, bro. Let's see what.
Nah, cause I'll tell y'all. So I'm talking to my homeboy, right? And he a trader. So we going back and forth right now, and I told her, I said, yeah, I think I'm about to get stopped out. He was like, dog, fucking relax. You got September puts. I'm like, so my 30% about to get hit. He was like, you got stops on next month puts? Yeah. He's like,
damn.
He's like, yo, we barely through August. I'm like, okay, I can get back in. He's like, yeah, that's true. He said, yeah, that's true, but damn. He said, I thought I was bad with letting shit cook. He's like, dog, we ain't had a pullback since April. I'm like, man, look. So here's my reason. I read or saw for every 30% loss is gonna take you 50% to get back even. Yeah. So from now, from now on, I just go 30%. It's like, nigga, I'm not, the bigger the loss, the more you need to get it back. So it don't matter. I'm doing 30%. So I put that. So I said, well, I read, for every 30%, it takes 50% to get it back, right? He was like, and then he was like, so then I replied, I said, bro, I am letting them cook and I'm getting cooked.
Yeah.
Oh, ain't no different. Listen, man, I was up like 3 bands and 3 bands. I was up 3 bands. I was up 3 bands, bro. Break even.
Yeah, like, bro. What? I mean, listen, I bought the puts when I was supposed to. We made the low. Luckily, I shaved, but me shaving, I ended up buying back in, when we was kind of coming up. So now I'm like, bro, at this point, it's either you gonna do what you need to do, or I'm getting stopped out. I can always get back in. But I'm not about to let this shit go down 50%. Now look, he gonna send me he sent me the gif of Wolf of Wall Street. I'm not fucking leaving.
I think that we all deal with that. Like, I understand what can happen. Like tomorrow we could drop, but man, that could have, should have.
Dog, that shit done got me in trouble too many times.
We know what we doing now, bro. We learn from experience, man. So it's like, bro, if you can reposition yourself, bro, because
that's what I'm saying. Like, my thing is this. So, like I said, with that 30-50 rule, one thing I realize is if you take a 30% loss, and then let's say, okay, you get out, you cut it, and then all of a sudden it turns. Well, if you reposition
TP,
and if the trade work and you just reallocate the funds you got stopped in, if you go back up 50%, you got the money back you got stopped out, so you good.
Yeah.
So if the trade is right, it don't matter that you took the small loss, because if the numbers is going to do what you thought it was going to do, it's going to end up turning into a 1, 2, 300% trade anyway. So soon as you hit that 50% mark, you got back that loss that you was on, versus like you said, sitting in that position hoping or woulda, shoulda, coulda, and then next thing you know, you don't get stopped at 30. Then now you down 40. Now you down 50. Now you smoking hopium. Right. Now you on the hopium pack.
Like we could use like AMD for example. Like hit your 30%. All right, continue to go down, get a better entry. Then we get to pop up, boy. Or you know what I'm saying? If you had time, bro, you could have. You always can reposition to get back. You know, I'm looking at. I still like my puts, man. I was in. I still believe in. You know, whenever we do get a sell off, whatever. I want to get back in those. I still might get back when they go 50% off. You know, we get back up there, because at that point, I ain't got nothing to lose. I get 2 for 1.
Hold on, let me see it.
I do not know why that volume indicator is there, bro. I do not use that. I guess I was showing y'all something.
Or
that don't even that definitely
yesterday you were showing us something.
It must have stayed on my screen. I use it
different. Yesterday you were showing that.
Well, as you see today, guys, volume was over than yesterday, so it looks like we're definitely in bullish territory.
So so hold up, yo. Does these numbers add up? How much how much per quarter does Apple make about in revenue?
All right, let's go check it out right now. We're gonna pull it up right now, live and uncut. Where's Apple at?
Because now that I'm thinking about something, I'm looking at something. This definitely don't make no sense.
Apple financials. Let's see what they talking about, brother.
By quarters?
Revenue quarterly, 94 billion.
Damn, light.
Annually, 391 billion. So
okay, all right. So that's okay. All right. The reason I say that is because I happen to be I'm scrolling on Twitter, and this dude that one of these guys I follow, I figured this didn't sound right, but he has a meme. Y'all know Leonardo DiCaprio, Django, when he drinking the tea and shit.
Yep.
So he has in the caption, it said, and it's kind of like the little laughing joint, but it says Apple promising to invest 150 billion a year, because that deal is 600 billion over like 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, but they already gave 5.
They ain't give nothing yet. They committed. They ain't gave nothing yet, Dre.
Yeah.
They committed to 500.
They committed to 5.
Now they committed to
all right. Okay.
Now here's the thing though. So they basically saying they're going to invest 100. Let's just say it's 600 billion over 4 years. That's 150 billion a year.
Yeah.
Now this is the part where I figured the numbers was a little off. That's why I was like, yo, how much do they make? Because he says when their annual, this is where I might have fucked up. The thing says when their entire annual profit is 92 billion. So what's their profit then?
All right, let's see.
Because we said revenue is 92. That's what maybe. What's their profit though? Because he might have a point.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you now, bro. Tim Cook just saying whatever revenue.
Leo, you got to understand, he is a systematic trader, dog.
He told you I ate on the put.
He's like, I told you took TP too early. You new to the show, so you don't understand how.
His first thing.
You know what I mean? You don't understand how he trade. He is in and out, bro.
Profit. We're looking at net, right? Net profit.
Yeah.
Net income. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can Google it, but I just want to make sure.
Oh, Zay. By the way, Cozy's loan, she hold it a whole day for last night. Remember she was long? The whole day to like what time you caught it? Cozy?
Bro, she caught that drink. She was
the whole
in it. No, if she caught that whole move, then
that's so many points.
She is litty,
341 points. She caught.
Yeah, I would say the whole. She probably got the whole damn thing because she caught it from the low. Like she caught the wick. Her entry was the wick, and hey Leo, you about to get blocked, bro. We don't do that whole told you shit here, bro.
My guy excited.
I'm just about to let you. I'm just about to let you know off rip. We don't. This ain't that show. And we ain't them kind of guys where it's. Oh, I told you.
He's excited.
He's super hyped, bro. Like he gonna have to calm that energy down. He typing with capital letters and shit. This ain't that kind of show, bro.
My guy's super, bro. I don't even pay attention to him, man. I already told him how to trade, bro. I don't care, bro. That shit can move 150 points. I don't give a fuck.
They don't have that, bro. I know I ain't missing. I might just Google it, bro, because I know they tweaking.
I mean, well, here's the main gist of it, though. Mainly, he was saying their entire profit is 92 billion, and they only invested 9 billion last year. So it do seem a little weird that they're willing to commit 150 billion a year, and if those numbers are accurate, that shit don't add up.
Like I said, I need net income, so it's 99 billion.
That's what they profit.
Yeah.
That's a good fucking point, boy. How are you going to invest more than what you make?
Yeah, 99.28 billion. Yep, that's this number right here, the net income. I don't know why they haven't called that, but we don't even look at it.
Yeah. So I guess it is true then.
Bro, it's cap. Think about it. By the time they even break ground on anything, he gonna be dead. Or sorry about that. He gonna be old and he gonna be replaced.
South Korea says 100% chip tariffs will not apply to Samsung. I guess it is I guess it is a taco trade.
That's what I'm saying. I want to get in, and the next thing you know, they put a rug on that thing, boy. But
I don't know, man. It's not looking like no.
I took a trade. I made how much I made?
Oh, you took one?
Yeah, I made $37. Micro game, man.
Hold on, I gotta hear this real quick.
Indian officials have said that there are other countries that are buying Russian oil. It's okay. Like China, for instance, buying more. Yeah. Why are you singling India out for these additional sanctions? It's only been 8 hours. So let's see what happens over the next sanctions. You're going to see a lot more. So this is a lot more. You're going to see so much.
Hey, he is hilarious, dog. Reality TV at the highest levels, man.
Apple has $96 billion in cash.
In cash, or is that their?
I looked at the cash flow.
I mean, either way, bro. They yeah. Quadree is correct. All these deals are future pledges. Think about what happened with the Foxconn deal. His last term never panned out. Yeah. And that's what I'm saying. All this stuff is commitments. Ain't nobody gave $1. You know. The only real commitment is I was about to say marriage, but hell, a lot of these folks in the United States ain't even committed to their marriage.
That's a fact, though.
100%. That's crazy for us.
It's an interesting time we live in, man, for sure. Like I was telling somebody, like growing up as a kid, a lot of stuff that is happening, man, I would say it would never happen, bro. Like I'm in the trade again, but
you in?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Why you in that? Dre, you in anything or nah? You still chilling?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah.
Are you done for the evening?
Well, my trade, yeah. Well, yeah. If I see something else, yeah. But right now,
Gotcha.
yeah. I took my cash flow target. That's it.
Gotcha. Yeah, we pushing here. We just hit the low. What's this? This was that big sell-off candle. I think this was when NFP came out.
Yeah, the first.
This first one is 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
No, 8:30. It has to be the one before. NFP.
I mean, I'm just saying like NFP.
Oh yeah. Okay, gotcha. I thought you meant the can't. Yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah,
is the NFP. Like this was that main sell right here. So we hit the bottom of that.
Yep.
So let me we got this wick here.
Yeah, we overshot in that fit. Now, how about the 50-minute? Let me see how many closes we got. I bet you money we close in test in the 50-minute. That fit. Did we test? Yeah. Close above and retest and boom.
Yeah, and like this we move up, better close, test it.
No, on your
up,
short right there.
Now we moving up.
Yeah, boom. Yep.
Huh?
When we that short that you had, yeah. So the 8 o'clock candle.
Yeah, that was just a quick one. Yeah, it was a quick one.
Yeah.
Yeah. He said, "Don't get chastised for getting out." Right? Like, who does that, bro? He made money. A lot of this has potential to not be fully funded as is being talked about today, but it juices the market, helps get policy passed. Next year has the potential to be a shit show. Absolutely, Carl. 100%, man. Apple has over 250 billion cash overseas, but I doubt they honor the pledge. Members only. Yeah, I mean, I think it goes back to what Carl said, bro. At the end of the day, all these pledges, all these commitments, it's all in let's pump up the market, get everybody excited about America supposedly getting richer. But when it comes down to actually paying that money over, we'll see.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. You know what they be doing in there? They be doing that Jerry Jones treatment. They just write a number on a piece of napkin. That's what they pledge to. Hey, yo, we about to give you 100 billion.
You said the who?
The Jerry Jones treatment. They just write a number on the paper and say,
you said Jerry Jones?
That's what we doing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He said they pulling a fast one on Taco Man.
I just think the dude he just want people to acknowledge him, man.
He just want to show like he's a freaking like he a boss.
We do got data tomorrow, right, Zay?
Unemployment claims. That ain't nothing.
Yeah, that ain't nothing. That's
I mean,
we're dropping the bucket.
When you get your damn mind, you call me.
Bro, another catalyst though, bro.
What?
There is one of that unemployment what it is, greater than 221 or a line.
You said what happened?
If right now it's saying they expecting forecasting 221,000 jobs. If they do 222 or stay in line.
Boom, boom. Yeah. Yes, sir. This shit is straight up city.
That shit is crazy, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. How the dollar?
You said what?
Crypto's quiet right now.
Yeah. What's good, Larry?
Well, Larry,
Give me that
What up,
true
Larry?
long. He said 23,750 on deck by Friday. Let's go look at the NQ.
I'm with you,
Yeah.
Larry.
23,750. That buddy. That's
I'm with you, Larry.
where the hell is that
Mhm.
at? That's way up here.
He's talking about new all-time high. Well, almost. That's back to
Yeah, almost. I mean, it would basically take out. It would definitely take the open of that July candle out.
Mm-hmm. Damn, bro. Shit
What happened?
looking crazy. Shit looking bullish and stuff.
Yeah, we way above that. Yeah, it's. Woo, we are about to.
if you look at my screen, I'm about to go full TP if I would have stayed in the trade. I did cut it early, but
Yeah, we
Oh, you
going
took
to
it.
that.
Yeah, my bad. Let me go back. I forgot you was in a trade, bro. Nope,
no,
that's
yeah,
not.
I made
Remember.
$40. I had it going up here. Like we want to get there. So
Carl said Trump wants to be remembered as a good businessman. Yes, but he's never had successful business venture outside of buying insanely undervalued real estate. All his other businesses has failed miserably. You right about that. if he make America a good business, that's gonna stamp him in the goddamn history books for sure. I mean, he already going in the history books, so it don't matter. But she said, Dre, check out the Asian standard deviations. Those are my targets.
Yeah, I see them. I see them. Get that loan true again. Get all day. Get that shit. Hell yeah.
what cozy baby?
That
Man?
shit.
Shoot, I
Huh?
might just
Yeah,
go off
She
straight with
gone.
her. Man.
she got
I'm with you, cozy baby. It's the low account anyway.
yeah. She a sniper, bro. She bro. For real, for real.
Now let me put in my specs, my data, see what's happening. Now she made me want to
He
look.
said, my boy Jay, he said 6380. So let me go look and see what US 500 doing.
Sis on ES.
Nah, on US 500.
Oh
Damn, that's 20 more points. So yeah, good God.
yeah, bro. That shit crazy.
Yeah, that means the ES can get 20 more points. So that'd be the ES going back to like 64, like almost 6410.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much right here. Yeah, up in here.
Yeah, buddy.
And then you said what happened, Dre?
Now I'm saying this shit could get to 530, 530s, and then let me see some extension deviation. Let me see some.
Yeah, we rolling. It's all this. We going green.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this shit.
Cozy say 569 on NQ is her target.
Hey, let's go.
I'm with you, cozy.
Yeah, Gee.
Shit. Yeah, with these first, yeah, we run it till 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Looking at this 4 hour Dre, we run it till 10 o'clock, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Hey.
and then we probably get a little consolidation from what 10 to 2, and
Mm-hmm.
then London. We'll see what's popping.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Well, sheesh. Well, yeah, man, I'm interested to see the weekends, bro. I want to see the week, how we end this week for real, for real.
It's
This shit got
looking
me.
right at this point. It's looking so bullish, bro.
Yeah, he said, yeah, yes, sir.
Oh
Because we
man,
were looking like this on Monday,
you said what?
and then Monday was the same thing, right? We were pushing all day. We pushed,
We pushed
and
all
then
day on Monday.
Tuesday came. Tuesday reversed the shit,
Barely.
and then now pushing again.
Mm-hmm.
But now, the thing about now is we close about NFP and monthly 50%. That's a different story, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, thank God.
Damn, son. Magic hour car. Yeah, man. Let me see. Where's my statue? Okay.
Uh,
569.
Tuesday drop was 50% of the bounce from 2275 low. Anthony Wynn and a nice scout. Ooh, gold. You know what? I ain't even been paying attention to gold. What is gold doing? Even gold pushing.
Facts.
Let me
Hmm?
tell you.
Yeah, even
Yeah.
gold pushing. Uh, oil been. You know what's been getting cooked? Oil.
Yeah.
Like fish grease.
Oil got cooked today.
But it,
Larry, he said Zay been cheating on gold. Nah, me and gold, we on a little break, bro. We on a little break. I had to go back to ES. Had to focus on the main. Had to focus on the main thing.
Mm.
Yeah, I ain't been showing gold no love. I
man,
ain't been
we're gonna
showing
see.
gold.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Anthony said he's short gold. Just a quick scout. Okay. Carl said I'm gonna have to start trading some of these overnight hours. Yeah, man. I mean, when you get some like tonight move is crazy, yo. We finally got some good movement.
Yeah, we find well.
And I
We
know
see.
Carl, you trade the NQ or MNQ. So I mean, shit, that thing up 70, almost 80 points already.
I got my boy back in NQZ. He's coming
Oh,
back.
he on the main thing.
He coming back. Yeah, he little shortly bush, but he shortly but he coming back little by little.
Got it.
Yeah, he oversized it. Not oversized. He's testing more size. He used to trade size back in the days.
Yeah,
So
Carl, I feel you, man.
He said, yeah, I had to go back to ES, aka Esther the church girl. Larry, what you mean? You're not doing the NQ? I thought you was NQ Slayer.
no, he talking about you.
What you mean? Wait a minute. Larry, you cheating on the NQ? You talking about me?
Think so. So you have to go back.
Larry, you cheating on the NQ? Oh, okay. All right. He said, no, I only stay on the NQ. Oh, you okay. Okay. You must have been, you was talking about me. You had to go back. Yeah. Yeah, I had to go back, man. Good old faithful, dog.
Yeah. Yeah, Larry. NQ's loyal to me, man. I can't mess around with that.
Man, NQ do stab you in the back though, bro.
Nah. You treat her nice, she be nice to you, bro. Yeah. Nah, she don't like is people like that old boy over there. Yeah, she don't like those people. Those people get in trouble with her.
He said, NQ, my homie. Quick 100 on gold. So did gold come down, Anthony? Let me go take a look. I know you said it was a quick scalp. Oh yeah, I see it now. Nice little wick rejection here. Oh yeah. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. You was in at 34.45, took it down to 34.40. Good stuff. He said when you cheat on NQ and try to go back, she get real disrespectful. I prefer NQ. It's tough on 50K account. Okay, I got you.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the micros, because I'm on a 50K account.
Got it. So yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, you do when you got the 150. I mean, you might as well go ahead and do the NQ.
Hell yeah.
Oh man, I can't wait till we get off. When we get off the live, I gotta go check out some content, see what these folk talking about. There's a lot of bearish folk, man.
Getting smoke out there now.
Yes, sir.
I guess, boy, the way he smoked them puts, man. I'm just glad I was a majority cash, bro. So I
feel the same way, but at the same time, all right. So here's a good thing, right? My puts are probably gonna get stopped tomorrow. I did have a long Apple, so I'm like okay there. And then when I look at other areas of the market, it's kind of a good thing that it's only a few stocks that's running, because there's still, if this thing is really gonna pick up, there's still some names where, like, okay, prime example, Palo Alto. That's a name where I want to get long. It's that joint dipped because of what Fortinet did, so I probably could catch that tomorrow, still at 170.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. So it's like I'm looking at names that I want to get in, and I'm like, well, if things are still, if there's still stuff at good prices, so not everything has turned up. I mean, you got AMD on the pullback, so you can cop some AMD tomorrow. What else is I think some good value? What else? Some good names out there.
Still getting the Apple.
Yeah, go ahead and chase Apple up. I wouldn't mind that.
Bro, on the weekly, bro, we still got we ain't even breaking that. I mean, we still gotta turn up.
Palo Alto look good, bro.
It do.
It really do.
You said who?
Palo Alto. Palo Alto look good, bro.
Oh yeah. That's probably gonna be the name I'm a gun for. So a couple things. So Larry said the Bears got trapped for sure. It's looking real rough. I was too much of a gunslinger. I needed to work on my risk management. Went to 50K to get repeatable workflow locked in. Good stuff.
Mhm.
Good stuff. He said the UPS drop was nasty. UPS, the delivery folk.
Mm-hmm. Yes. What's good, Max?
Let me go look at UPS. He said UPS. Dang. Dang.
Yes, sir. Oh shit.
Nice.
Damn. What the hell is going on over here?
Dang.
Talking about UPS.
Oh, yeah. What in the world happened here?
Dang.
Damn, bro.
God
God damn.
They're definitely way oversold too.
Fire.
Ooh, what's
Hell
that? What's that y'all looking at?
UPS.
Yeah. UPS, bro.
Yeah, that
Man.
thing is. I was just doing the
Yeah.
same thing. I was like, let me update it. This thing is at new lows.
New low, 2019, bro. What's going on over here?
Shit, that's honestly, if you really think about it, it's all the way back to 2013 levels.
Yeah.
People gotta use this shoe. This or UNH? Which one, guys?
Yo.
Don't give up.
Let me see. What up, Moss? He said, "What's up, you bank robbers?" Larry said, "Look at the weekly." I'm looking at the monthly, Larry. Shit, all look bad. It don't matter if you look at the week. That last week was crucial. It was down 18%. Jeez Louise.
It's way down compared to this out there with UNH.
That shit forgot what agree me.
Yeah, that looks
it's
bad.
down there 63%. God, this is business.
UPS.
Yeah.
Brown.
UPS is doing that bad.
Bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is nice. Like people gotta get packaging, boy. They drop my stuff off the other day.
Oh. Yo, Quadree, you like sneakers?
Yes, sir.
Like heavy sneakerhead?
Yeah, I got all the Jordans.
Nah. You do?
Yes, I do. Jersey, New York, then.
Yeah. Okay.
I got them up there. I got a couple. I was trying to get the Travis Scotts, but I don't even like him like that though. His shoes be fire.
Mm-hmm. Anthony said they can't pay their drivers 6 figures no more. Everybody hyped to get into UNH. I think market makers gonna find a way to clap that.
Listen, I was talking about UNH last week. I got in and got right out. He had that little pop, that little Warren Buffett pop out.
Yo, yeah, say Helker got hit today, boy. Hard.
See, that's I mean,
John F. What's his name? I said John F. Kennedy. Robert Kennedy says
Robert Kennedy.
TMO got smoked central today, bro.
Yeah.
What he said?
That's what that's what I'm saying. Dre, like if it wasn't for a few names, today would have not been what it was, man.
Hell yeah. That's true.
Larry said might be a lotto play holiday season, not financial advice, just a thought. Correct, not a financial, but I got you. Exactly. Yeah, healthcare ain't poised to do well under this administration. It's definitely the worst performing sector, Strat King, for sure.
Yeah.
To Larry's point, UPS do good in July, August.
You go listen. This, I mean, yeah. I'm not even gonna say. It's hella stock looking better than this out there to be thinking about UPS.
No, I'm just looking. Listen, he brought it up. Let's see why they dropped. I don't like that's a falling knife.
Yeah, I'm not catching a falling knife.
I mean, shit. So is what's his name?
UNH.
Yeah.
That story though, I mean, that sounds good. Like, bro, you and these gotta do a deal with Nvidia for it to pop up.
I could have sworn. Mm, I'm pretty sure I'm following him. I'm trying to see something.
Let's see. Yeah, man. Quadree, you long see, right? Let's see what happens. 9 o'clock coming up. That's why. Okay.
Yeah, buddy. We got 3 minutes. That's why I'm waiting.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Crowd start coming back to pick some people up as well. How CrowdStrike doing, Zay? Let me see.
Yeah, I was about to say, take a look. I'm not
Let me
sure.
see.
I guess.
Oh, no, let's see. Let me see. Let me see for the. Yeah. Yeah, for my liking. Damn, I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Yeah. That 345. Yeah. We stuck right here, yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. New hour opening. 1 minute.
Oh, the whole time I'm talking to y'all.
You on mute?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
was. Yo, Zay.
But yeah, I like that area, Larry. 350. I don't know if we're gonna get it though,
Yo,
but
my bad.
This
What's up?
this dude look good, bro. This dude look good right here, bro.
what?
Who?
It's Palo Alto.
Who?
Palo Alto, yeah.
Palo Alto.
I mean, that's my one, bro. That's the one that
Yeah, I like this, bro. I ain't gonna cap on this. This is.
See, the only all right, here's the issue though, right? And I'm glad we got Larry on. Hey Larry, you still here?
Yeah.
Larry, you still here? Can you type yeah in the chat? It might be a little bit of delay. Let me see. I'm gonna wait to see if Larry here. I need Larry. Larry, I need your expertise, bro. You said you've been in cybersecurity for 25 years. All right, bet. There you go. He's still here. See, here's the thing about Palo Alto, right? I like where they at, but usually when you do an acquisition, they penalize you. So, Larry, how long you think Palo Alto going to be penalized for this CyberArk acquisition? I mean, they already got penalized because I mean, look at that candle.
That's 15%, bro.
Right, like they sold it from 210 all the way down to 160 something, almost 170.
Looking at
I mean, it's
these
a $40, $50, you know.
Can this get worse? I mean, it can get always get worse, but
You said what?
Always. It can always get worse.
Right. It can always get worse, but at the same time, I mean, damn, that looks pretty goddamn good too, though.
This 5-year fib on the daily.
Yeah. He said it would be dependent on how much they drop the bag for CyberArk. So I could tell you, I think it was basically, what is CyberArk's market cap? Can you look at what that market cap is in CyberArk? They basically paid like what CyberArk's market cap was. So it's like 30 billion or 35 billion between cash and shares.
Say 20 billion here.
Where?
Say 20.84 billion.
So then it might be that. I don't know. Let's go. Let me go look at. Let me see. It's probably.
Oh, say 25 billion.
That's what they paid.
Like say right here, Palo Alto Networks 25 billion.
Okay, and it should be what, shares and cash, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, there you go, Larry. Boom.
Yeah, I do.
See though, Maz, you talking about the NQ or equal lows on what?
The 445 max? Or you talking about lower?
Okay, there you go. 25 billion. Palo Alto buys CyberArk and 25 billion deal. So we having two different conversations. Maz, you talking about the NQ, and then Larry, they paid 25 bill. I think that was roughly about what CyberArk's market cap was.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, the equal lows here on the 5 minute.
And the 15 too. Yeah.
Because right now Palo Alto's struggling with their XDR endpoint since they decided to step. Okay. Cozy said been bugging me all night. Because right now, I gotta read everything. He said will depend on what they drop, followed by what and how they plan on marketing their product suite. Because right now, Palo Alto's struggling with their XDR endpoint suite since they decided. So is CyberArk going to help them, or like, is the acquisition of CyberArk potentially going to help with this XDR product? And then Maz actually talking about Palo Alto as far as equal lows.
Oh. Let me see. That's a little different.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Last time they said again, look at Palo Alto, bro, I made a bag.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he be on that shit for sure.
I said last time I'll tell you, I got in Palo Alto. It was in February, bro.
This two stack when Zay's on it is a problem.
You said what happened?
This two stack that when you are on it, you be a problem, bro.
Yeah, it was here.
It's Palo Alto.
When you said,
oh yeah, like don't get. I listen stocks. That's my thing, bro. Like breaking down businesses, that's my shit. That's my sweet spot, bro. This right here, this future shit, this is my weakness. This is what I'm trying. This is where I gotta get better. But when it comes to the stocks and these businesses, that's my go-to. Okay. He said no, so that's not gonna help. XDR is their endpoint security, aka antivirus. So CyberArk's not gonna help with that. Okay.
Let me see. I'm gonna see some. I'm gonna check this company out. So you got me into Palo Alto.
CyberArk focuses on identity security. Damn, I thought Palo Alto don't got identity security. I mean, I know they, like we talked about last night, I know they was mainly known for their like firewall. and like network enterprise. Isn't network solutions a part of Palo Alto? It was firewall, network solution, and I thought it was like another area. Identity security. If they went with why not buy Larry, let me ask you this then. What if they bought if CyberArk focused on identity security, why not buy somebody like Okta, who's you probably could have got them cheaper. I don't Okta do identity security. Yeah, Palo Alto is firewalls. The acquisition is a way to add various companies. Okay. Why not buy Okta over CyberArk? Because I think don't Okta do identity security? And I think Okta is cheaper, and they've been struggling. CyberArk has the bigger footprint. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's already recovering. Shit.
What?
Palo Alto is. I'm looking at the price after hours. Because Fortinet, hey, matter of fact, Larry, you see the hit Fortinet took today? Fortinet down 17% after hours, bro. That joint is all the way down to $80. I don't know what they said, but it wasn't good. Because they had good numbers. The numbers were solid, but yeah, that was nasty work on we are we gonna just continue to keep running. Quadree, you still in this trade? Yeah, it look like you in this trade. You in the trade? Huh?
Yes, sir.
I bet that's why I got yours up there because I ain't in nothing.
Continue pushing in this hour.
Like I said, I think we're gonna push till 10 o'clock, bro. This 4 hour looking real strong.
Yo, Zay, I'm gonna send you a picture. Take a look at that chart and pull Palo Alto in the line. And look at that shit.
I'm gonna look at you. You send it to me. What you said? You tested him?
I tested. Yeah.
Okay.
Did I put that on my watch list?
Oh my god.
and then put Palo Alto in the line and do that in the daily. And look at that look, that shit look identical, bro. You can't know it. Ain't no fucking way.
You said okay. All right, yeah. Quadree, can you pull it up real quick?
It's right here.
You said what daily?
Yeah, go to the day, take all that first. Yeah. And then do the daily Quadree.
We're in the daily right now.
Put the line chart.
A line chart, okay.
And then on January, put a vertical line, so we know when the year start. A vertical, yeah, vertical.
You're right, vertical.
January. I mean, from the first, like January 2nd.
Let me make the line.
Huh? Okay.
So January 1st?
2nd, yeah.
3rd. Okay.
Yeah. Look, Zay. Tell me why you see Zay in that feature I sent you. Same shit, right?
Move up. When did that move? What's that peak? What's that first peak, Quadree?
March. Oh, my fault.
This January. This
Nah,
January.
you good.
No, the top, the PT, yeah, top,
Huh?
right there. That one. That one you mean say? That peak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Quadree, you got it. You in the group chat.
What did they?
Yeah,
Yeah,
looking
he
at it
in the
right.
group. So what's that peak right there?
That's February.
What's
Yeah.
that peak right there? Oh shit.
208.
Okay.
Drop.
So that's February. So yeah. And then what's this low right there? Was that April, May? Yeah, April,
April.
May. Then it rallied back up through
Yeah.
June and July.
And then you get a crazy drop.
Then you get a
Boom.
dip.
We just got it. And
Yeah.
then we pump.
And
By the dip.
September,
Wow.
October.
Can't make that up. Bro.
All right, I guess that solidifies it then.
We cannot make that up, bro. Woo. Yeah, get
Okay.
along. Follow out. No financial advice.
Yeah, that's not financial advice, but yeah, okay. Looks like Palo Alto's the one. He said one of the reasons for Palo Alto purchase CyberArk is to help plug some gaps in their cloud action. Got it. To me personally, I think Palo is looking to be direct completion to Cisco line of products. They would have a complete zero trust ecosystem. Doesn't Zscaler have a zero trust ecosystem? I know that's like the big thing that they tout. You know, that's their whole thing. And then Eddie said Apple. Yeah, what's up, Eddie? Apple is running, that's for sure.
Yeah. Damn, bro.
Apple came through and saved the market.
So if I get jiggy wiggy, say,
Huh?
right? Put my can you put my screen? Sorry, can you put my
Yeah,
screen?
yeah, I got you. I put you up there. I got you. Go ahead, my G.
Looking at that picture I sent you, I will mark this out right there, and then my target one. We get close above here. Then we
What
could
level is
get
that? What's that number?
180.
Okay. Yep.
Then yearly open,
Damn, Donnie.
and then you see this could go to all the way to all these pivots.
Yeah. Oh, so you got it. You doing your fib based on closes and pivots.
Right. Like you showed me, my mentor.
Well, so if you click out of that and use the actual highs and lows with the wicks, the numbers change a little bit.
With this one? With what?
Like go to change it to candles.
Candles.
So
Okay, I see. He changed a little bit. Yeah, you're right. So it's 176 instead of 170. Like he changed a little bit. I see what you mean.
Yep, change. Yeah. Yep. Actually, and I need to flip mine back around.
So this area right here look interesting to me.
That's a daily.
Yeah, there's a gap.
Yeah.
Something to think about. I have an alert 166 just in case you get funky with it. But yeah, man. But to start looking some contracts. Yeah. This shit, bro. I like this company.
They got earnings on the 18th too.
18 of.
Oh man, you know what I just seen too about Palo Alto, dog.
What?
Oh, here, let me
Share. Go ahead.
Check
Share.
this out. Check this out. Let me share my screen. I got one for you, Dre. Let's see if everybody agree with this one. Let's see. Say a pullback is coming, Jose. I know you know I love you. Yeah, okay. I thought that was you, Eddie. Dog, what you mean a pullback coming? It doesn't pull back. Oh, dog, why you just can't let Apple be great, bro? United Airlines have grounded all flights due to a technology issue just now. That's why I don't nobody fly United, dog. It's all about Delta. All right, let me here you go, Dre. For your for
the people.
For the pattern people, right?
Yeah.
I see an inverse head and shoulders.
Uh-huh.
Let me mark it up real quick.
Mm.
I need like a little marker.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to find it too. All right, here we go. I can use a highlighter. So you got this pivot here.
Yeah.
Then you got like the little, I don't know why it's messing up. And then you got this one. I'm gonna fix them in a second. Let me just do like this. So look at this right there. And then here. So technically you could say this area is your left inverted shoulder, the head, and now we're forming the right. So if I put it on candles, it's even clearer though.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom,
Boom.
boom,
Boom.
boom.
Wakam. Yeah. Oh shit.
Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow. I agree, Larry. Yes, 170 would need to hold for the inverted to play. Absolutely. I mean, it's holding for now. I mean, you got a close yesterday. It bounced off of it. You know, it's looking like it's holding. I mean, back to 210. Man, just the way earnings season been going, man. Got a nigga nervous, bro. I'm gonna keep it real, bro.
I mean, they're gonna shoot it down to 100, 120.
Nah, I don't think they're gonna do that, but yeah, I would say. I mean, look at what like Larry said, worst case 142, right? But look what they did to Fortinet. Like Fortinet, if I go to Fortinet's chart, you're not gonna really see it, but after hours, it's back below. It's back below the April lows. It's all the way down here. It's in the 80s.
God damn.
That thing is all the way down here. It's undercut all that. That shit is you. So when we wake up in the morning or when it open, you know what I'm saying? When it open, it's gonna look like this.
Damn.
It's gonna look like this. That's that's definitely a buy though.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. I was gonna say that this is the type of play that you get a momentum type of shit. The 3-day rule, right? Boom, boom.
That's definitely. Sheesh.
And then you wait for the
That's
island reversal. You follow through.
Crazy, dog.
Yeah, but yeah.
He said if that's trading view chart, click the little gear. Click the little gear symbol under the right axis. What's that? To what? Oh, to invert the chart. Is that what you're saying? Yeah. If you click the gear, click the gear, and then click on labels. Man, I'm gonna be real with you, man. My trading view be moving slow, Larry. I'm gonna try it though. Yeah, all right. So here's goes the gear, labels. All right. My post market is clicked. It's just not going to show because, yeah, it's clicked.
I'll go down to like the 15-minute.
Huh?
If you go down to 15 minutes, show you where it's at.
Nah, I think yes. Well, all right. So two things, right? If I go to the if I go here, if I go to the 4 hour, and then another reason why I don't show there is because I don't have here. If I turn this on,
Oh, you got your retail trading hours on it, Jay. Say.
I know. Yeah, that's the reason I was about to say that. I don't be doing the yeah, if I do extended hours, it'll yeah. I gotta go to like the 4 hour and then I gotta change turn on extended hours. I don't like to do the extended hours for I don't know, it just be fucking with me. Damn, and see at 79.92. Now you can really see what it look like. All right, let me go see what Palo Alto look like. Hey Dre, you know what's crazy? Oh, he dropped off. Or no, let me add him back.
Oh, you did. Oh,
there you go. Hey Dre, you know what's
I don't
crazy,
know what happened. Yeah,
I don't know either. You know what? That picture you sent, that little like August period where it's creating a little squiggly. That's exactly what it's starting to look like too. And then it gets a big old.
Yes, sir. I like it, bro. Ain't gonna hold you.
Yo, what's that date on there? The mid date. What's that? September what?
What date?
What?
On the picture.
My picture? September.
You text me.
September. Yeah.
What contract you thinking about, Quadree?
I was looking at the how you know I was looking at that.
I already knew because when you asked the date, I know he like, oh, I'm about to measure this out. Let me see how much time I need, what's expirations.
Bro,
180.
I'm trying to flip.
What you getting? Yeah, actually cheap too. Damn.
I mean, I'll say Jan. I mean, I like, bro. That's why I asked him what date, bro. Because it ain't by that date, I'm out.
Right.
Because it's matching. So
yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. So it's like you really don't need you can really do like a quick swing on it. You know what I mean? And if it hit, you know, them shorter cons, they gonna do some. That's why I'm looking at like maybe do like a October or November. So
that's what I'm looking to say. 180.
You said
October
180.
180.
October or November. They got October or November.
October 17th.
I need a little more time. I need 3 months. Because damn, you know what's crazy? 3 months from now is November. God damn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I was like, you probably want to look at like, do they have Novembers?
Yeah, they do. 21st.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. Yeah. You already know how that go. That 210 looks scrumptious. I like that.
We all gonna in here.
Yeah.
Which one you like, Dre? If you go to November.
180. Oh, November?
Yeah.
I like that 190. I like that top 21.
You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to see which one got the most OI.
Yeah.
The 210, bro.
Oh, it's family. People in the chat, man. This is the exclusive, right? This Zay about to go in right now. Oh shit.
Yeah, the 210 got them most. I like that one.
210.
Yeah. Well, I'm in November.
210.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 210,
I like
210,
190.
170, and 175.
How about October? What they got?
For highest OI,
Yeah, 180 bet.
200 and 220.
What? Because
Yeah,
they
the
know that
200. Let
shit,
me.
bro.
Yeah. Let's look at. Do they got any unusual options activity on them?
Mhm.
Wow. They got this. These about to expire worthless though. I ain't fucking with them.
Oh,
The
yeah.
September 190s have 4,600 volume today,
Mhm. Dang.
and then damn, somebody bought the 1226 185s.
Yeah.
And
People
then
jumping in hurry.
yeah. For real, I think I might want to do like a spread on this train.
Shit, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you this what I'm thinking about doing. I like the fact that you can do what I'm thinking about doing would be buy the 170 and sell the 210,
Hmm.
or maybe buy the 175 and sell the 210. That would make the premium paid out about $10.
Yeah. Facts. Yeah.
And as long as it's gonna cap, what you can make, but it'll bring the premium down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's would that be a vertical spread?
Are you selling and buying?
Leg one would be 175.
Are you buying and selling? That'd be a cover call.
Nah, I think it'd be it'd be a spread. See, long that one, and then short. Oh, look, they already did it. Here go. You got the long the 175. You basically short the 210.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see the max profit 234%?
Like, oof.
That's a
$24.
no, yeah, that's your max profit. Your max loss is $10. So what you're doing is you offset, and so this premium for the 175 is like basically 1,400.
Okay.
Right. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So you can see the 175 gonna cost you about 14 or 1380 right now.
Yeah.
But if you sell the 210, you're gonna collect 335. So basically you do the 1380 minus the 13 the $3. So you basically are gonna pay out roughly $1,000.
Yeah.
And if this, if it do what it's supposed to do, then you can, because what's going to happen is the 175 might be deep in the money, but you short this 210. So that means, you might have to like dish out premium back or whatever the case may be. So it's going to cap what you can make, but I mean, you basically can make up to 25. So you basically turn 1050 into 25. So if you do, you buy 2 of these spreads, that's $2,000. You'll make $5,000.
Yeah, you triple your money.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
34%.
Yep. Okay.
Looks like we got something to look at tomorrow.
Absolutely. I like it. Yeah. Good shit, bro. Since we're not doing nothing here in the future.
How this market doing, bro? We still pushing? Yeah, we still pushing.
Yeah, slow grind up.
Yeah, I was about to say,
Yeah,
like, we kind of got stuck like
Yeah, I'm gonna be like that all night.
I'm gonna
well,
definitely
the NQ moving though.
it's been going back and forth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let my trade.
Now the NQ got a little doge. Jay says spreads of life. Yeah, man, that would be a good, that would be a pretty decent spread right there, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I like that. See how we close up on your that shit popping, bro. Them
Uh,
fibbing, bro.
yeah, bro, it ain't, dog. This thing can go straight back up to the highs from here.
Good. Good do it.
I mean, if you really think about
Really?
it, this was the that was the Meta Microsoft candle.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah.
Hey, let me ask y'all a question. Why y'all think we sold off last week?
Why we sold
Yeah.
off last?
Mm-hmm.
Powell was a good excuse.
Wow.
Profit taking. Use blame Powell. But I'm not gonna lie, bro. The one source that I do follow that's very accurate, they was bullish last week. They was like, don't sell, buy the dip. So maybe that
Yo, Larry said to go pick up wealthy friends that got left behind.
maybe
Market down spreads, market making positions become a little easier to spot. Yep. Call wall.
Hmm.
Yeah.
but maybe that was the little pullback.
No, I don't think so.
I'm being funny, man.
Okay. Not yet.
No.
Let me see. We didn't get no. I'm expecting a weekly 20 for real. Pullback. How? I don't know how it's gonna happen. When?
I know whenever the pullback do come, it's gonna be vicious.
Yeah. And we can make a higher high and then boom. That could be the problem right there.
So he said we sold because Powell was like, you and ninjas ain't getting on my nerves. I'm about to raise these rates. So so the reason I asked that is because somebody asked me that question of like, did we sell off and did the reasoning change, right? I think it's a combination of things, right? Technically, like Jay said, I think we hit a major call wall at the 64.50, or we were close to it. We didn't quite get to it, but we were close to it, right? So mechanically or technically, you hit a major, area where you had a lot of sell orders, right? So profit taking, right? So number one, you had some profit taking. Number two, I think you combine the initial reaction of, oh my God, jobs, they're weak, revisions. That was that initial reaction. Okay, jobs are worse than expected. So, we got to maybe expect a slowdown from that area. Now, the flip side to that is if jobs are weak, the market starts to cheer on. And that's kind of that's part of why we, at least the justification is now I've been seeing a lot of headlines say, oh, the market is up because of anticipation of Fed rate cuts in September. Right. And then the last part is like what Strat King said, you also had a little bit of a hawkish Powell. And to his point, he made the point of, oh, lucky I'm not raising rates. He was very hawkish. Let's just put it that way. Right. So I had a nice little combination of, a technical call wall, and then you got it more justification between a weak jobs report and then a hawkish Powell. Now you think about, well, why are we rallying back? well, you found support at a technical area or at a put wall, right? So that's one of the things why we found a support. And then I think you got people realizing, okay, well, if the jobs are weak, then now they raise the odds for a rate cut, right? Because I think after Powell had talked, the odds of a rate cut were down to what, like 45%?
Yep.
And then after the jobs report came out, that shit went back up to like 95%.
Yep. 93 right now too. So
like that shit was like what? So yeah. Eddie said it's a fake out. So yeah, we rallying on hopes and optimism of a rate cut, as well as earnings actually was a lot better than expected.
That too.
Earnings season was earnings was if you take away all the BS, earnings has actually been doing a lot better than expected. So you still got that tailwind. So yeah, makes sense.
Mm-hmm. It's a fake.
What's up with crypto? What's up with crypto? How's crypto doing?
It's up. Do you see that push we got on AQ?
Oh yeah, we still going.
Right now, Bitcoin is up. Well, it's up. No, it's flat right now. It's up $32.
Yeah, it's at 115 though. It's holding 115 pretty strong.
Mm-hmm.
Man, the market always drops in September. I mean, it did last. So look, last September, yes, it dropped, but it finished positive, Eddie. So
August 5th, we had that dip, and it was like,
and it was up in a way.
Yeah. That carriage. What was it? August. A carry trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Monthly PO3 is beautiful. Mm-hmm. Quad witching is always the worst of the year.
Kobe said monthly PO3 is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Power 3. That's Quadree language right there.
Quad witching is always the worst.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, we are gassing, dog. I cannot believe this, bro. We up a solid 18 points, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
That's just the ES. I know the NQ got to be doing way more than that.
Hell yeah.
Up 77.
Mm-hmm.
I got 86. We had 23,500.
Yeah, light. This shit crazy. Yeah. Even the dollar's green, bro.
Oh, we over 23.5 right now. All right, keep pushing.
That's what I was gonna say. We had 23.5, bro.
Keep pushing. I got my target at 560.
Man, we bust through this 23,509. It's up and up. We got 20 minutes till 10 o'clock. Let's see how high we go. And then we'll call it a wrap.
Yes, sir.
How is the YM and RTY doing, man? Are they doing a little something? A modest 54 points. Hmm.
So right now we're getting every team rallies.
Are we
We
really
got
though?
we got dollar running,
Oh, you saying it from there? Okay, go ahead. All right, you got dollar
gold
up.
running, gold running,
Mm-hmm.
oil running, yields running. Well, the 10 years running. The 30 and the 20 is red. And yeah, so somebody's lying. We're gonna find out. Somebody's lying.
Hold up, let me. Yeah, I need to see this. Yeah, you got. You right. You got oil up a whole percentage.
Yeah, somebody's lying to me.
You got the dollar is kind of weak sauce, but it's green. You're right.
But it's green, green, green.
You're right.
Yeah,
You're right. And gold actually is looking pretty strong.
right. Yeah,
Mm. Is
somebody's lying to us.
you say yields are going up too?
The 10 year is still like
No,
this.
yeah,
It's
you're
green.
right. Yep.
It's green.
Mhm.
The 20 and the 30 is red by a little bit.
Mm.
Yeah.
Damn, the ES just hit 63.91. Jeez Louise, boy.
That's great.
Yo, I'm up 15 points already.
Oh, hold up. Let's put your trade up.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Eddie
It's going
said,
to drop.
let me see. You said what happened?
What he said? I didn't read. What is it?
You got 3 MNQs. Good.
Let's go. Hell yeah. I mean, just made 10 points on it. Good shit, bro. 10 points. Let's go. What time frame you traded on?
Hey, no BS, Quadree. When you said just press the buy button,
Bro,
should have just pressed the buy button. You no doubt. We really should have just pressed the buy button because
no trading strategy at all with this. Just
press the buy button.
Yeah.
following price.
It's fact. Mm-hmm. Let's go, Larry. Oh, the people printing in the chat, bro. Long are paying today.
Everybody long.
Hell yeah. This shit, yo. Let's go. People making money out here.
No shout out to profit.
Yeah, just closed my first futures trade. 13 ticks on ES. Let's go, man.
go.
That's what we're
Let's
talking
go.
about, bro. First trade. Good
Let's
stuff.
go,
brother.
my guy. This shit, yo. This is what we're talking about over here. That's what I like to see. People winning shit. Fuck at it. Yeah. Game it.
Damn. Dang, Larry. I forget you in the NQ, but he said I always hold. I be mad when I don't. Now he go for the gusto. He said I need 120 points or more.
I thought my 50, 60 points was bad.
Wait. Hold on.
Larry said he always hold. He's mad when he does not get 120 points or more.
120 points on NQ?
Yeah, Dre. Everybody, listen, Dre. Everybody is not a 15-point hitter.
No, that's a lot of money, though, bro.
Oh yeah.
120, my nigga. What? Yo.
Yeah, that's
Larry.
Larry,
we need you over here.
Larry, I be trying. That's how I be trying. I try and get the whole move, boy, or most of it. Shit.
Larry, we need to have a
That's why I'm
conversation, Larry.
tight about this ES. I should have just fucking. I should have just bought this goddamn 68.75. I would have been good. Motherfucker up 20 points from where I would have entered.
Straight Z. She said,
Asterisk. I got you there. I would definitely hear her up. The up move this morning, he hit for 127 points. Woo.
yeah, that's bad. That's my.
Let me go look and see where the US 500 at. Hey Jay, did the US 500 get to 6380 yet? No, it's at 6364.
Ha ha. I feel you. I feel your car. I done that before.
He said I would have been on an NQ long, but I had to go go to the weed spot for my wife. Ah man, y'all lucky, bro.
Yeah, man. We are. Look, bro. She this is what she gave me right now. She dropped it after the call. But no, this is about to get no. It's no pen. It's just on gas.
That's like a little. It's a vape pen.
Yeah, a joint.
Oh, it's a whole. Okay.
Yeah. My birthday coming. You feel me?
What day your birthday?
Friday, B.
Oh, next Friday?
No, this 8.
Oh shit! In a couple days, then.
Yeah.
It's 2 days. They're really a day and a half.
Right, literally a couple days. 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Dre said. Cozy said, "Dre, your Discord DM shows Zay to me."
Okay. Jose.
Happy early B day.
Thank you. I'm about to send it to you, bro.
Okay. Somebody said they where is it at? I saw the there you go, right here. Chat. I've been done ES at 6388. Good stuff.
I send it to you.
All right, let me see. Yeah, it looks to be that way, Cozy. No lie. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
Cozy, you think we not even we probably gonna get there by what? We might get there within the next 10 minutes.
Right. Tonight.
Tonight. Well, not even now. I'm talking about by 10 o'clock.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Cozy, I just DM'd you. Accept my friend request.
$64. I man, cute, man. Listen, all that shit for $60, my nigga. Nah.
You got to understand, bro. Like, yo, one loss is it for the account.
Yeah, that's
well,
true.
This and you gotta understand, Dre. I think this is a 50K account, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. His one loss, yo, Dre, like Dre took a $2 loss and still got like 20,000 left and dropped that.
Jay said, I'm looking at my dashboard, should be stalling at 63.70, 75 on SPX. About a 20 point difference on ES, correct. So then that means, well, shit, that means, hold up. So if that's the case, let me go. Hey, Jay, did you know, or you probably did know, but do you use the Forex market, like the US 500? You know, the US 500 is almost like 1-to-1 with SPX.
Damn near.
Like it's damn near 1-to-1.
Now they do it. when the actual market open, right? Is it like up like right that with it?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's how I be like knowing, like that's how I be knowing, like literally. That's why I said it's like almost 1 for 1. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if that's why I like for right now, like all right, I could see that US 500 is at 63.65, right? So check this out. Let me pull up my screen real quick. Hold up, let me pull up SPX on Trading View, because when I'm not sharing my screen, it moves a little bit faster, but then once I pull it up on the screen, that shit be moving a little weird. Nah, Jay, I know you use you said I use SPX daily. I know you use the SPX daily, but I'm just saying, like, SPX don't show you overnight price action, right? So that's why you had the gaps. But like US 500 is, like I said, it's basically you can use that and kind of mirror that with SPX. Like it's, like I said, it's damn near 1-to-1, bro. Okay, so let me go to a 4-hour real quick.
8 minutes.
Okay, so who do we have? A Quadree. He was over. So yeah, Strat King. He said depending on the. So I use. Let me look. I use capital.com. I use capital.com. Strat King. He said SPX shows. So what's the ticker, Jay? Is it SPX USD? I think, is that the one you talking about, Jay? You probably use SPX USD. But no, like I was saying, all right. So US 500 right now is at 63.64, right? So then I'll go look at SPX and be like, where is 63.64? Boom, right there. So this is where we are. You know what I mean? Right now. So based on what I see here, I can see the US 500 running up to like 63.68. 63.68. If it gets to this wick, then it would be 63.75. And then there's gonna be hella resistance up in here. It's gonna be mega resistance, bro. So yeah, we kind of maybe reaching or maybe we got a few more points to the upside in this overnight session, but then I would think we might start to slow down a little bit based on the cash session and where we are. Cozy responded to you. Huh?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Solid night tonight. Good movement.
Hell yeah.
Really
if you
good.
caught the long.
Really. Yeah, good movement, bro. We're getting good movement in Asia. That's good sign.
Hell yeah.
120 points in Asia. That's crazy.
Shit, I'm mad. I missed that. I should have when I swear when Quadree said, yo, just press the button. I should have really just pressed the button.
Yeah.
I should have just pressed the button.
Shit went up 126 points.
What did 1 hour look like? Yeah, see, that first hour was whatever. What's that? That was 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. This was the retest to get in, and then
Yeah.
8 we moved up, and then here we are at 9, and now we about to go into 10. So uh Jay said it's long puts bearish sitting there on my dashboard. What level? What you mean? Jay, is like the 60, what, 63.70, 63.75 area? That 63.80.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, another thing I'm kind of tight about.
Mm. Yes, sir. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, remember that coin I sent you on Saturday?
On Saturday?
Yeah, I sent you a text Saturday in the group. You and Zay.
Hold on, say that again.
I sent you a text on Saturday that I bought some coins. Yeah, see
Oh
that
yeah,
shit?
you bought the whatever joint. What about it? Is up?
My nigga. Going crazy. It's
What?
up from when I bought it 20%, 21%
Mm.
into
You
3
said
days.
Saturday?
Yeah.
I don't believe tomorrow, bro.
I was thinking about hitting 3-5, 3 to 5 micros long about an hour ago. Then Cozy came on taking longs. I knew it was a wrap to the upside. Yeah, buddy. So I'm assuming you got in then, Carl. she was your confirmation.
Yeah.
Jay, I don't know. Did you confirm it? The put is that 63.70, 63.80 area? I guess you said yup. So I'm assuming. He said there's some long puts sitting there.
Oh yeah, Dre, I'm already in there, bro. I'm down in it though,
Yeah.
but I ain't down too crazy.
But I added on Saturday.
Oh,
That's what I'm
okay.
saying. Because it hit my alert. I'm like, ooh, let's go. Boom. Yeah, that's how you got to do it. You got to put alerts in crypto. When they hit, boom, you buy. Fuck it.
I bought
Let it
some.
rock.
Oh yeah, we about to head out to Larry. We got 1 minute and then we out of here.
Yeah.
He said, I'm about to head out. I'm about to head out and
I
do the
see.
evening.
Yeah,
Man.
yeah.
He said about to
Thank you,
cover the trade
everybody.
and let it cook off, no doubt. Yep. So Dre, how's y'all finish tonight, man?
I did positive 725. $20.
You
Yeah.
just did one trade?
One trade. Yeah.
One trade. Bet.
Yeah.
How about you, Quadree?
Yeah, 1 for 1 trade. I'm gonna let this trade rock all night. Worst
Breaking in
case
the run.
scenario. Worst case
Same
scenario.
here.
It's just a dub. I'm just going to get it back in the morning. I ain't really too concerned.
I feel it. Yeah, same here. I was 1 for 1, a little small scalp. I ain't really getting no long. I won't trying to force it, but I'll try to see if I can catch something tomorrow. Make a little bit more ends.
Good shot, guys. Yeah.
But yeah, man. Good folks. We will see y'all next week. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
next week's schedule, good people. We will be live Tuesday the 12th. And then we won't be live Wednesday, but we'll be on the 14th, that Thursday. So we won't be on Wednesday. We'll be on Thursday, and then the following week will be the same thing. We'll be on Tuesday the 19th. We won't be live the 20th, but we'll be on the 21st. And then after that, we back to our normal Tuesday, Wednesday. So just to give y'all a heads up. So until next week, everybody finish the week strong. Trade safe.
Thank you, guys.
Y'all on the next one. Peace out.
See you. Have a good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us.
Yes, sir.